Hi there, welcome to the Spinkly channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I share my creations on my channel, so remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Today I will be testing and reviewing the HUION 420 graphic tablet that I received and did the unboxing last Thursday. If you haven't watched it, I'll tag it somewhere in the video so you can check it out. On this particular video, this is the first time I use it, and I'll say I kind of struggled, especially for the first few seconds, but improved and got a hang of it as I carried on. I had to stop a couple of times as I was trying to get comfortable, though I would say it was a quick adjustment transitioning from my other graphic tablet, considering I am actually creating this illustration, and I think it looks great so far. I'm not really a fan of the pressure points and the different weights because I kind of got used to the other pen which didn't have them, but I'm still learning and I feel like it will take a while for me to get used to it. What I really don't like about the tablet is that it uses batteries, and that's you really have to consider having spares of batteries just in case it runs out. I also have to remember to put off the pen when I'm using it, like when I'm done using it, so that I can conserve the usage. Additionally, using the pen tool feels different on this tablet. I think it's very sensitive, so I have to be extra careful. Like, for example, when I use the pen tool on Illustrator or Photoshop, but the funny thing is when I need it to be sensitive, like it doesn't work. Like I have to press harder in some places than I would expect. So it usually depends on like some brushes. So basically I still don't feel as much in control, but in general I would say for the price it does the job and I'm not mad at it. I'll let you decide based on my illustration outcome what you think of it, so comment down below. If you have any questions, ask away and I'll answer. For now, I'll let you continue watching the rest of the video. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications.